Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me a little like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. I have been working with this hair company. They are Leeven, Leeven, and you can find them on Amazon. And so they decided to send me a Christmas gift. Well, you know, you have to buy the hair on Amazon and then they will PayPal you back your money, right? So this is the third time with them. So guys, if you want to send me more here, please watch the video and subscribe, all right? And share it so we can get more free here. They have them in like 2 packs and 6 packs, so you can choose which one you want. I chose the 6 packs because I know that I can use and then I have leftovers. And this is the pack it came in, and you know it came in the other pack with my address and I took that off. It comes with some hair accessories. They are 18 inches passion twist. Alright, I don't know how much I'm going to use out of it, because I think I'm going to double them up because I'm going to make a jumbo passion twist hairstyle. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is it. Oh, the hair are so nice. Wow, look at that, guys. They're so shine and they're super soft. Oh my goodness. This is going to work well with my hair type, you know. Super soft. And let me tell you how much strand comes in a pack, and they're 18 inches as I said. So 1, 2, 21, 22. So there are 22 in the pack, in each pack, and I got 6 of that. Guys, this is on Amazon. I will leave a link, and this is my shining jam. It's really good. And if you have curls, oh my god, and it smells, oh, it's on my mouth. And it smells amazing. Okay guys, you need that. Okay, so this hairstyle will be no crochet, no rubber bands, easy. Okay, I'm gonna start with the front, then I'm gonna do the back, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, so let's try to part it off nicely. They're gonna be jumbo, okay guys? So it's gonna be in 2. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my jam, put some on the back of my hand so I can access it easily. And then what you wanna do, I'm gonna go ahead and rub it on the root, and I'm gonna rub some down on it as well. Alright guys, so I can catch it neat. And I'm gonna give it a little twist like that. You don't have to. Okay, something like so. This is 1, and I just put it in 2, and you want to frizz it out just a little bit, not too much. But I'm frizzing it out so my hair can blend in with it. All right, and I want some ends. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna braid it. All right, so I'm gonna use a 2-strand method, and then my hair will be the 3rd. Place it on my hair. I hope you can see it. Bring it over, take my hair, and I'm going to plait it a little bit. Plait it about, give it about 6 or 7 plait, so it won't loose, something like there. And then I'm going to use my hair, I'm going to put it in one of the braid, and then I'm going to twist it. You have to watch how you twist it, guys, because sometimes you twist it and it's not on the right side. If you twist it this way and it look wrinkle, take it out and twist it on the next hand. And this one you don't need no rubber band, guys. Once you make ends, you create a little end, you don't need any rubber band, and then you can cut off like the excess part if you want. Can you see that, guys? And this is where it reached. So yay! So let's put some here. And I'm doing the jumbo one, okay guys? Jumbo! And then now guys, you want to slant it, so you have it even, you want to slant it like that, okay? Or you can make it even, it's up to you. I'm just trying to create some ends so I don't have to put any rubber band. And then you just want to frizz it out. Also guys, what I do to make my ends not buffy and bulgy, the two middle part will be thicker than the ends. So what I'm going to do, take one of the thick part and put it across. So I have one thin one, I have one thick, one thin. I hope you understand. And again, let's go, put it here. Braid it. You just want to let the hair glide, okay? You don't want to twist it too tight. Just let your hand go with the flow, okay? So this is it guys. No rubber band, no crochet. Now I'm going to show you an easier way. All right, so this is my way and my method, and I found it to be super easy. All right, so here guys, I have about 4 left. And what I do, look at this guys, this is my hair, it's almost like this. You see how close it is guys? So I have 4 more to go. I can't see guys, look, I can't see. There. And then I'm going to put some jam right around it. Alright guys, when you have it like that, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to plait it a little bit. See that guys? So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to put some jam on the ends. If I do it like this in the middle, it will be too short after I uneven it. So instead of middling it, I'm going to hold it like here. And then it's going to look like that. Now I'm just going to grab it, and it's going to easier to plait. So you're going to grab it like this. This is my hair, and you're going to go over like that. Hold it and braid it. Braid it for a little while so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to just turn it around. And if this is thick, you can do it in 2, but if it's thin, you can just go ahead and twist. And then you want to grab a scissors and you just want to cut off like, I'm going to cut it like right here. All right guys, so I'm going to show you one last time. 2 strands. All right, you want to put them even in the middle, and we're going to cut them right down the middle. Now you can go ahead and you can frizz them out like this, because you need the ends to work with, right? So it don't look buffy and all of that. All right, then you're going to take them apart. You're going to put one upside down. and then you're gonna leave them like slant like that. You see that, guys? Then you want to freeze them out. Guys, sometimes they're really full. Look how full this one is. If they're too full, go ahead and take out a little bit, and if it's not full enough, go ahead and add some. This is the middle, and then I'm gonna hold it a little bit away like this. Okay. And we're just gonna braid it. All right, guys, when you're braiding, you know I have one and one short. It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and braid. When you reach close to it, go ahead and take some from this one and you continue. I'm super excited, guys. Look at that. It's just one of the style I'm showing you. I put my little clip here and you can do it like that, or you can put it on this side. Like, that's it, guys, and that's how it's looking. Well, this is the way I will be wearing it most of the time, unless I'm going to work.